Hello, my fellow Ashfordians. This is Kurt Marler. I've taken classes with several of you throughout this degree course. To all of you whom I know already, welcome to the next class. To the ones I don't know, hello. So the first question was current professional goals. My current professional goal is to take over the educational system here at the school where I work. I work as both a treatment counselor and I also work as a teacher on an as-needed basis. The next question was most influential design and development challenge. It was doing the research for the project which I'll be using for the Capstone project, because I've used this continuously throughout my program because it is a real-world issue that I need to be able to solve for the school system here. And you all will be learning more about that later as we progress through this program. Basically, my idea is to provide some interventions for at-risk youth, which will provide them with a more personalized education system, which they really need and deserve. The challenge throughout this whole program has been to find data that corroborates my way of thinking to solve these problems, because it is such a new program and other programs have failed and also failed to recognize what they need. There's not data out there to corroborate what I need. So what I've done is I've gone to all of my peers, spoken with them about it, bounced ideas back and forth off of them, and the good part about that is I have buy-in from all of them now to make these changes when I approach the leadership for this program. How did the experience sharpen my knowledge and our skill of teaching and learning with technology? It made me more aware of the problem and provided more depth for the problem and how to resolve it. And so one thing I've learned is that while there's many tablets and PCs in the classrooms, there aren't applications that really provide the in-depth data collecting resource that we need to be able to see if what we're doing is truly making a change for the better. Everybody's writing educational applications, but they are just teaching applications. They don't actually provide grading. They don't provide iCloud storage for data. And I think everybody needs to go one step further and incorporate tracking abilities with all the applications that they're creating. The quote from Mark Twain, "I've never let my schooling interfere with my education." I think we're all suffering from that right now. Schooling has always been about the reading, writing, and arithmetic, and it's not teaching us a lot of real-world things. I graduated high school not knowing anything about checking accounts or checkbooks or how much electricity costs or paying bills and things like that. Luckily, I went into the military and I had them to hold my hand while I learned all those things. So Mark Twain's quote is all about educating yourself. You determine what you need to learn, how you need to learn it, how you need to apply it in your life. Don't let a school delegate those things to you. Our educational system has gotten to the point at which high-end scholars who run high-end institutions like Harvard are saying, hey, look, you know what? Don't teach them math or science. Teach them how to think and then send them to us, and we'll teach them the math or science. Because literally, we all went to college and we retook all the classes to relearn math and science. So that was a big waste of time. We could have spent more time on how to get along with other people, how to control our anger as teenagers, how to not fall into bad relationships, how to make smarter decisions. A lot of life living skills could have been taught at that time. Instead, we were taught rote memorization, which I don't think is the key to an education. So it's nice meeting all of you. I'm at work right now. You can probably hear people in the background, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.